Hello everyone, in this video I would like to show you how to work with rooms in Revit. So if you want to create a room, you have to go to architecture and select a room tool. If you want to create automatically tag on placement, you can check tag on placement. And there's the first thing you should know. There's a difference between a tag, which is this element, and the room, which is this cross that right now we are unable to see, but they are connected. So if you change something in a tag, for example, let's change this number to, I don't know, 0.1, it will automatically change in the room itself. So if we go to properties, we can see that the number is right now 0.01. If we change something here, let's say name, let's say it will be, I don't know, Paul, it will automatically change here. If we move some walls, it will automatically show different area here. Let's create some more rooms, like this one. Let's say you want to divide this area, but you don't want to use walls. So in this case, you need to use a tool called room separator. So if I click on the room separator, I can draw a boundary without any walls. So right now we have this room, and if we go to architecture again, we can create another room. Let's say you want to create a wall, but you don't want to use it as a border. Let's say we have a wall like this, and let's say like that, and like that. I don't want to make it insulation. Let's say it's just the partitioning wall. And right now one room is here, another one is there, but we want to have it as a one room, so you have to select this wall and you can uncheck a room bounding, and right now this whole area is a room. If you want to see a room in a floor plan, meaning this cross, so you can be sure which part of your building has rooms and which doesn't, you can go to visibility and graphics in a view. So let's go to view, visibility and graphics, and let's find rooms. If we open rooms, we can check reference and interior fill. So if we hit OK, right now we can see all the rooms and we can see the area it's part of these rooms. So right now I can see that here we don't have room because of this wall, probably because this room is unable to go there, and this one is divided by this wall. So let's just uncheck this one. So now it's filled with walls, with rooms. Let's uncheck it. So I go to visibility and graphics again and find the rooms again, so we can uncheck it. Perfect. Another thing I would like you to know is to color scheme. It is usually quite a nice thing when you want to see in colors. Let's say you want to divide building by, I don't know, areas or type of floor finish or something based on information inside the room. Let's say we want to color rooms based on area. So this one has area of 25 square meters. This one has, I don't know, 13. So we go to properties of this view, go to color scheme, and let's create a new one. So let's call it area. Change it here, area, and we want to base it on area. So we hit OK. We want to have it by range, and let's say we want to add some more range. So let's say we want to start or end at 5 square meters, then 10, then let's say 15, and then I know 50. When we hit OK, it will automatically color these rooms based on this parameter. If we want to use different parameter, let's say, I don't know, based on floor finish or something. So let's say we use floor finish and we don't have any finishes there. So let's say right here we'll have floor finish will be ceramic tiles, and in this room we got we type carpet. Okay, so now we can see in which rooms are some material, in which room is different material. If we want to have a legend, we can go to annotate, and there you can find color fill legend. So we just paste it here, there you can see it. If we change it there again to area, right now it's not working. It's again as it was as a start. It will show us the legend of this current element. Another thing, probably last one, go to architecture. I create a room. There's one important thing. If we go to this section and we select this room, you can see that the height of the room is just 2000 meters, 2000 millimeters. It's because sometimes, I don't know, if you don't have roofs or ceilings or load-bearing slabs, the volume of the room would be infinite. So you are able to assign a limit, but if you want to, let's say you have some ceilings there, so I put ceiling, and you select the room, you can see that the volume is not accurate. So in this case, let's change the offset, and right now the offset is right here, but the room stopped there, so the volume is right. The last thing you need to know is that if you are unable to see the volume, you have to go to architecture, room, area, volume computations, and you need to change it from areas only, because right now you are unable to see the volume, and then you are able to see it. And that's it. So I hope you learned something today, and see you next time.